Hola chicos. Just a quick bit of advice about how to use gustar. Quick revision, especially using it with singular and plural. So we'll look at example number 1. I like fruit. We've got, en español se dice me gusta la fruta. Okay, so just remember to put the la back in there. I like the fruit, literally. Look at the example number 2 though. I like sausages. So sausages are plural. So we say me gustan las salchichas. Okay, so remember that me gusta turns into me gustan. For masculine examples then, I like rice. Me gusta el arroz. And then for eggs, me gustan los huevos. So just remember that with those back to front verbs, things like me gusta, me encanta, no me gusta, no me gusta nada, me gusta bastante.